In the previous classes, we were discussing problems on mathematical expectation, both in the discrete and in the continuous cases. Now we will continue the problem in the continuous case. Okay. Uh, the function f of x is given as k e raised to minus mod x minus infinity less than x less than infinity. K e raised to minus mod x minus infinity less than x less than infinity, and we have to find the constant k, the mean and standard deviation of x, and find the MTX, hence find the mean and variance of x. We know the constant k is obtained such that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Okay, now we have the formula for expectation of x as integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Expectation of x square equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx. So that variance of x equal to mu 2 equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, and the definition for MTX, which is the moment generating function of x, it is defined as MTX equal to expectation of e raised to tx. We can obtain mu r dash as equal to coefficient of t raised to r by r factorial in the expansion of MTX, or mu r dash can be solved as d raised to r by dt raised to r of MTX at t equal to 0. So we are doing this one by one. Okay. Firstly, we consider this f of x. What about this f of x? It is equal to k e raised to minus mod x over the interval minus infinity to infinity. Okay. We know the function mod x, about mod x. It is that is, we know mod of minus x equal to again mod x. That is, mod x is an even function of x. A function f of x is even if f of minus x equal to f of x itself. Otherwise, otherwise it is an odd function of x. That is, f of x is odd. F of x is odd if f of x is odd function if f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So that here mod x equal to minus x is an even function of x. Mod x equal to, mod of minus x equal to mod x equal to x. Okay. That is, mod x is an even function of x. So that the property of integration is integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function of x. Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function of x, and integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to infinity f of x dx. Okay, when if f of x is an even function of x. I hope you follow me. Okay, once again let me repeat. F of integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function of x, and integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to infinity f of x dx if f of x is an even function of x, f of x is even if f of minus x equal to f of x itself, and f of x is an odd function if f of minus x equal to minus x minus f of x, that is consider the function x. Okay, it is an odd function of x. But what about x square? It is an even function of x. Minus x whole square equal to x square itself. Okay, so that this is the these are the two properties of odd function and even function. Now we have the function f of x equal to k e raised to minus x over the interval minus infinity to plus infinity. We solve for k. K is obtained such that, first part, okay, k is obtained such that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1 by the total probability rule. Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1, which implies integral minus infinity to infinity k e raised to minus mod x dx equal to 1. We have mod x equal to x, mod x equal to x over the interval 0 to infinity. That is this can be written as integral minus infinity to infinity. Let me write k outside. E raised to minus x dx. Okay, e raised to, let me write k into integral minus infinity to infinity e raised to minus x e raised to minus mod x dx equal to 1, which implies k into 2 into integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x dx equal to 1, which implies 2k into e raised to minus x by minus 1 over 0 to infinity equal to 1, which implies 2k into 0 minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 1, which implies k equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we have k equal to 1 by 2. That is, we may write f of x as equal to 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x. So that here we have obtained f of x as k equal to 1 by 2. We have f of x as equal to 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x. Okay, minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Now we are calculating expectation of x, which is the mean equal to expectation of x. By definition, it is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Okay, and here it is integral minus infinity to infinity x into 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x dx. Even though mod x is an even function of x, here there is a term x, so that this integral is an odd function of x. Okay, so that equal to 0 since the integral is an odd function of x, that is expectation of x equal to 0 equal to the mean. Okay, expectation of x equal to 0, the mean. And now we can obtain what about expectation of x square equal to, and we have, since expectation of x equal to 0, mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash, that is expectation of x square, since expectation of x equal to 0. Okay, that is variance of x equal to mu 2 equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x square into 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x dx. So that this becomes as equal to, okay, that is, this is an even function of x. When we write in place of x, we write minus x. Minus x whole square is x square itself. Mod of minus x is mod x. That is over the interval 0 to infinity. It can be written as equal to x. Okay. So that mu2 equal to, which implies mu2 equal to 2 into integral 0 to infinity x square into 1 by 2 e raised to minus x dx. Okay, since mod x equal to x, we have this term as e raised to minus x. That is 2 cancels. Here this is written because as this integrand is an even function of x. And integrand is an even function of x. Okay, it will be okay, I hope so. Even function of x, so that this becomes mu2 equal to, what about 2 cancel, and we can write this is the form of the gamma integral. So that integral 0 to infinity x raised to, we write it as 3 minus 1 e raised to minus x dx, and it is equal to gamma 3. So equal to 2 factorial, that is equal to 2. Since we know we have the expression, the integral, since integral, okay, integral 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 e raised to minus x dx equal to gamma m. Integral 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 e raised to minus x dx equal to gamma m. Also we have discussed the gamma integrals and the properties. Gamma m equal to m minus 1 into gamma m minus 1, which is the recurrence relation. And gamma m equal to m minus 1 factorial if m is a positive integer. Okay, if m is a positive integer, so that we have obtained integer. We have obtained gamma 3 as equal to 2 factorial, and integral minus infinity to infinity e raised to minus ax square dx can be written as root of pi by a. Also one more result, gamma half equal to root pi. All this we have to substitute. Okay, let me write this as gamma half equal to root pi. Gamma half equal to root pi. Okay, so these properties have to be used in this problems. Now we have mu2 equal to variance of x equal to 2. Okay, and mean equal to 0. For f of x equal to 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x. Let me write here f of x as equal to 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Now we are calculating the moment generating function. Moment generating function is defined as, what about the function? Moment generating function is defined as mgf of x equal to mgx. It is equal to expectation of e raised to tx, expectation of e raised to tx. So equal to integral minus infinity to infinity e raised to tx into f of x dx. Here f of x is defined over minus infinity to infinity. So that this becomes integral minus infinity to infinity e raised to tx into 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x dx. Now we define mod x as, here the term e raised to tx. We define mod x as equal to minus x. We split the range as minus infinity less than x less than 0 and equal to x for the range 0 less than, over the range 0 less than x less than infinity. Okay, now we split the integral to 2 as minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. So that which implies mtx as equal to expectation of e raised to tx. So integral minus infinity to 0. Let me take 1 by 2 as a whole outside. 1 by 2 into integral minus infinity to 0 e raised to tx into 1 by 2 taken out e raised to mod of mod x equal to minus x. So that e raised to minus of minus x dx plus integral 0 to infinity e raised to tx into e raised to minus x dx. Okay, that is, let me proceed here. That is, this becomes, what about this function? That is mtx equal to 1 by 2 into, okay, as a whole. Here it is e raised to tx into e raised to x can be written as e raised to x into 1 plus t dx integral minus infinity to 0 plus integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into 1 minus t dx. Okay, here e raised to x is the term. So that combining the two terms we get it as e raised to x into 1 plus t. Here it is minus x. So we take e raised to minus x into 1 minus t. Yes, it is okay. Now we are integrating these two terms. That this becomes 1 by 2 into it is equal to 1 by 2 into simple integration. Okay, e raised to, we know integral e raised to ax dx equal to e raised to ax by a. Okay, so that integral minus infinity to 0 e raised to x into 1 plus t dx as e raised to x into 1 plus t by 1 plus t over minus infinity to 0 plus what about e raised to minus x into 1 minus t divided by minus of 1 minus t over 0 to infinity. Even though the step is so long, but we can integrate this simply. Okay, e raised to, we know the definition, integral e raised to ax dx equal to e raised to ax by a. So here e raised to x into 1 plus t by 1 plus t over minus infinity to 0, and here it is e raised to minus x into 1 minus t by minus of 1 minus t. That is equal to 1 by 2 as a whole taken out. E raised to 0 is 1. Okay. And e raised to, when we substitute it as for x minus infinity, it becomes e raised to minus infinity as equal to 0 by 1 plus t plus, what about, let me write here minus term. Okay. Minus, and here it is 1 minus t, and we know e raised to minus infinity equal to 0, e raised to 0 equal to 1. So that we have 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 by 1 minus t. 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 by 1 minus t. What about, that is 1 by 2 into 1 minus t plus 1 plus t. 1 minus t plus 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t into 1 minus t is 1 minus t square. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 1 minus t square. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus t square. Okay. Which can be written as 1 minus t square whole raised to minus 1. That is, we have mtx as equal to 1 minus t square whole raised to minus 1. mtx as equal to 1 minus t square whole raised to minus 1. Now, as we know, the expansion 1 minus x whole raised to minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus etc. up to infinity. So that mtx takes the form, we can write this on expansion. Okay, that we want to obtain the mean and variance using the moment generating function. Either we can differentiate and taking t equal to 0, we obtain mu 1 dash, or it can be expanded as a power series in t. Now it is a simple expression. So that in place of x, here the term is t square. That is mtx equal to 1 plus t square whole square plus etc. up to infinity. So that this can be written as 1 plus 0t plus, what about 0t plus t square by 2 factorial into 2 plus etc. up to infinity. So that mu r dash as equal to coefficient of t raised to r by r factorial in the expansion of mtx. Okay, simply we have obtained mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash from this expression. As there are no term, that is this coefficient is, this can be written as 0 into t by 1 factorial. Okay. Therefore, mu 1 dash equal to 0, mu 2 dash equal to coefficient of t square by 2 factorial equal to 2, and hence mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square as equal to 2 minus 0 equal to 2, the variance of x. Already we have obtained this directly. Okay, and I forgot to write, this is required to obtain the standard deviation. So this is the variance. Variance of x equal to 2 implies that standard deviation of x equal to root 2. We know root of variance of x is the standard deviation. Okay, so that we have obtained mean equal to 0, variance equal to 2, and this function 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x is called a double exponential or Laplace distribution of f of x equal to 1 by 2 e raised to minus mod x minus infinity less than x less than infinity. This is double exponential or Laplace distribution. Laplace distribution. Okay. So we can integrate this function simply, and hence we have derived all these terms for the single f of x. Okay, we have obtained k, the mean and standard deviation, mgf, and from mgf, using mgf we have obtained mean, variance, etc. Thank you.